Alright, so here I am at my buddy's Chris' house. We're doing the M5 bumper on his 97 528i. As you can see, he been doing some stuff. He did the headlights, smoke headlights. He did this blacked out Kidney grills. Oh, here he comes. And he's trying to like pimp my ride, like the show Pimp My Ride. He's doing everything to the car. He wrapped his trim in carbon fiber. He did the interior. He painted it black, the seats. So he has these LED lights. He painted the handles black and he wrapped it in carbon fiber also. Yeah, a little tour to the car. Oh, last thing we did was wrapping the trunk in carbon fiber. He did the roof and he put spoiler and spoiler. And new car to the channel. That's my 07 328. Alright, cool. So videos coming up on that later.
Oh boy.
Right, so first of all, you need to pop the trim pieces. This one's right here. So you can get access to the bolts that hold the frame. I don't think I'm gonna even take the frame out. Probably we're just gonna take the clips out and slide the new bumper into the frame, you know, the reinforcement bar. So let me see, let me get my screwdriver.
No.
So we're popping out these trim pieces to get some access to the bumper inside. This thing was old. Look, it's even cracking all over the place.
Wow. And that doesn't fit on the new one, right? Yeah.
Well, that no. The molding, no. It's only for the regular bumper. Get out of there.
Factory.
Oh, this is gonna be, I think this is gonna be easier than I thought. If, see? Okay, I see a screw there. But first, we need to take this out. But, quick thing, where are the bolts of this thing? I don't see any bolts. So I'm guessing you just pop the clips out. This is gonna be yeah. It's only held on by the clips.
Yeah.
Let me get a
Screwdriver.
little this. Oh, your mom came. Let me move my car.
Oh, I started recording again.
All right. So these clips, they're a pain in the ass to take out. Cause some of them, they have like the little head in here, which makes it easier. But this don't. This don't do that.
Oh, want me to stop it?
If you want to stop it, when I manage a way to take it off, I tell you guys, and we keep recording from there. All right, so here you see Chris. We found clips under there. Also.
2 on each side.
Yeah, 2 on each side. Right there.
Over here.
And right there.
Then we had.
We have to take the grills out.
1, 2, 3.
These grills are going here like that. They're going like that.
So now this should move, right?
Now we should pop. All right, so we took the Torx out. These are the Torx. They hold the reinforcement bar that goes inside the bumper.
You went technical.
Yeah. Yeah. So now it's just sliding it off.
Wait. I got something plugged.
Oh yeah, the connector for the fog light. Let me see, it goes here.
How the hell this comes off? Oh, no.
What happened?
Corner of it hit me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It hit you?
Yeah, we're good.
Where?
With my lip. We good.
Sorry, Chris.
No, there's no crying in auto repair.
Okay, take the bolt. Let's put it on. It goes right under here. And you screws into this nut that's welded to the reinforcement. You see it? The head came out already. Now we use, you see, snap-on. Expensive shit.
Quality.
So we use this
Torx.
You figure out the size. I don't even know what size this is.
It's the big one, right?
I want to show you guys, because since I'm a good guy, it is a T50. See right there. T50 Torx. Okay. So now you just tighten it up real good. Cameraman.
Camera 1, camera 2.
So now you just tighten it up real good. There.
And that's it, guys. I finished putting in my new bumper. It looks awesome. It's the Tin Man's car.
Alright, right there. Okay, so now we grab this baby. As you can see, and bumper.
Yeah, we gotta take out that trim, right?
What trim? This trim?
There you go.
Yeah. Right there. Just so we can put the clips after.
What do we do this after? Should we put the fog lights?
Oh yeah. So let's see, let's put the fog lights on. Let's open the box. Let's see what we have in here. Okay.
Bunch of goodies.
Let's see.
If anything, we could plug them in right now just to see if they work, right?
If the plug is the same, then yes.
Two little, let me see.
Nope.
Fog.
Where's the old fog lights?
I just threw them away.
What the heck? that you can sell, bro. Let me see the bulb on that thing.
We'll be back.
Alright guys, so that's the car.
We found it. We finally figured out how to do it.
M bumper. Wait. M5 bumper. That's what it is. We got these clips. This ones didn't work.
Those ones are ones.
This ones didn't work. This ones work. GM stuff. But you know, just to hold the bumper in place. So we use those. We uses 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and we put only 2 on the bottom.
And then we have.
And we have these. This is for the fender liner. This goes right there. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wait, where's my finger?
Down, dude.
Shit. Wait, it goes right there. Okay. So now we just have to put those on, and that's it. But
Damn.
Car looks fresh now. Say something, Chris.
Thanks, Miguel.
You got it. We've been doing this is like what? 3 years already? 2 years?
Yeah, I've had the car for 3 years. And now I'm finally doing the cosmetic stuff.
So this we gotta figure out a way to
what? Keep it more in place?
Yeah. Like to keep it like, but that later.
Yeah, that, I didn't even notice it.
Yeah. Yep.
How does it look from the side? No, cool. My brother thinks it was gonna be lower.
No, it's not.
Skirt.
It's not lower. You need the. They sell something that goes here.
The lip, right?
Yeah, like a little lip that goes only on the sides. That will make it look a little more lower. Yep. But the car looks good. Chris is gonna give it a paint job, so it's gonna look sick because somebody resprayed his car before. Cause look at this.
Yeah.
It's spilling.
Alright, stop, man. Until that time comes, let it flow naturally.
It's peeling by itself.
Not when you put your finger in it.
Oh, he got exhaust also.
The tips, just the tips.
Custom muffler.
Next year, like I said, next year I'm gonna do the whole exhaust. I'm gonna do the cold air intake. Yeah, the next project is paint the rims.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's next coming up.
And then probably tint the windows after that.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Cause like that freaking gray shit is killing me, man. I can't take that. Yo, I still can't pop those headrests out, man.
I saw you put a cover in there.
Yeah, just to cover it up.
Yeah.
Cause it looks good from the back, and from the front, I'm like, okay, so there's the blue.
Yeah.
Pero.
So yeah, but he's getting there.
Yeah, man.
He's gonna get the deep dish wheels.
Oh yeah, I gotta show you some stuff.
Deep dish black wheels.
Yeah, everything inside was gray before, and now everything is black. I gotta repaint the door panels. I still gotta paint you see that door panel?
Mm-hmm.
No, the front one is down. I gotta do the roof lining.
Yeah.
So
oh yeah.
There's a
little by little.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
And there's my baby.
He's my baby. I gotta go. I gotta do. You need new this? I'm almost gonna order a lot of these.
Nah, I'm good. I don't need that. Thank you though. You don't have carbon fiber wrap?
More? How much you need?
I need just a little bit to cover the thing in the middle.
What do you need?
You don't have here?
I didn't sign it.
Yeah, I just need a little bit to cover that.
The big chunk? All right.
Yeah, the knob.
Console?
No, the knob.
Oh,
the knob. Yeah, the knob. You see, it's like peeling.
Yep. I got you.
Just get me a little square. That should do
yeah,
it.
check it out inside, bro. Let me show you some other stuff.
Okay, so guys. Okay. All right, so we see you guys on the next video. Hit the like and subscribe button.
Do it.